How to create a Telegram channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can create a Telegram channel for yourself in the easiest way possible. So to make yourself create a Telegram channel, all you're going to do is you're going to go into the top right section where it shows this pen and paper thing, and you're going to click on that. Then it's going to give you three options: new group, new contact, and new channel. So you're obviously going to click on new channel. Now here it says channel are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. We're going to go ahead and click on create channel. Once you click on create channel, you're going to give your channel a name. So I'm just going to call it channel. I'm going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can make it public and private. Choose whatever you want it to be. I'm going to just make it public. Give it a link. So I'm just going to call it publicity. I'm just going to call it that. I'm going to click on next. So please know that if you choose a public link for your channel, anyone will be able to find it and join. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next, and there you go. That's how you're going to create a channel. You can create a private one alternatively if you want to as well. And that's how simple and easy it is. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.